But yeah, you know Jaden, the specialty guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the one that designed the logo. He did a couple edits, but he's busy.
Consistently.
That's where I lived at the end of June because my apartment flooded.
No, yeah.
Where I thought was ending because the harvest moon came up right above the mountain.
Yeah.
But it was like set at like such perfect timing and it was the 4th of July, so the sky was just weird already.
Everything just seemed to line up for everything being shitty.
And Thomas was about to go to bed and everything, and I just like called him, and then mid-call I was just like, or like mid-ring I'm just like, oh whoops. Oh, that's definitely the moon. I probably wouldn't see the lava from this far away.
But you'd also hear a boom and see the smoke well before you'd ever see fire.
Yeah, smoke, yeah, for sure, because that's big.
No, yeah, but
hear it? Yeah, that makes sense too. But
I said you'd see smoke well before you'd ever
see the lava? It's bright, yeah, but it's a little.
It's a little bit.
It's wide, but it ain't tall. It's short.
Lava is if it was hitting you. Comet was directly towards me. It's like, oh, well, that sucks. God decided you get to live. You went, this meteor might hit you. Decided it didn't.
I've like never seen the light on before. Gotta hit the weights more. You got that? I can't do anything arm related today. Don't necessarily think that for me. Ooh. You good? You don't work tonight now? No. And we got it at least. Ooh. I'll pop my foot.
This one is like absurdly more grippy, which is strange. Yeah, but it's smooth. You think the ones that have all the ridges would be like...
I think it's just because it's a little dewy out. Because they're all usually dewy.
Bro, just slip out. My palm is like red. It's not. Why did I start recording if you're gonna take your shirt off? This got weird.
Oh, what?
This got weird.
Well, I gotta flex the shirt I won. I won the shirt. All right. Flex.
He's going far, and it's good job, my friend. Oh my, he's going far, and he's done it. Good job, my friend. Victory. 3 KO. Good job.
You got some, or? I don't know if it looks like.
Fantastico.
Think of a way to be slower you're about it though.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
Such a cow pal. I'm gonna be flowy.
No.
I squished my net.
Well,
Oh, you want me to just do the regular one?
I don't know. I don't care, bro. It's your video. It's the video you're putting on your channel.
Our channel, man.
I'm not even in a second video yet.
Yeah, you are too. You're in like 2 shorts, and you already have a full video.
I don't know if the short counts.
Short counts.
Ah.
Watch time, it does.
You're right. Probably has more watch time than those videos.
Do you want to do a running into it, or do you want to just do plyo? Well, so I can show you what it looks like.
I'll probably do both eventually, but just go whatever you feel.
Pass that out sometimes. Getting that working. Working it out. Whatever will be a lot closer. So what do you think of the day so far, Grissom? Hang on, don't talk. Grab the mic
Yeah.
and look at the mic and talk.
I feel a little bouncy. It was a little fun. Getting some spins. Tried a little things for some circular objects, seeing if I could spin. He said spin earlier. Now I can't stop spinning. Spin just seems fun.
Oh, we're throwing spinning shit now.
That's what it felt like.
Nate Diaz said that in an MMA fight one time.
Yeah. Throwing spins and shit, huh? Spinning armbar. God damn. You son of a bitch. I didn't know we were spinning yet.
Yeah. People do like the train travel related videos. Then I got an email at like 1 in the morning. Your bank account balance is low. But I was like, oh yeah, like $50, right? It's because it tells me when I get lower than 100, it's low. I looks like $15.
You have
and I
no
was gonna
choice.
buy your ticket too, but it's $8, and that'd be like more than half of my money.
No, yeah. Hey, Will. You're talking more than I am.
Yeah, but they could mostly hear that. At least once.
Hit it what way? Down?
Yeah, run out that way or something maybe, or just don't do that. You could end up on the wall and do something.
You just want me down.
And do it twice. Remember with the homies? I said earlier I need more clips with a few more clips. He says with my homies at least 3 times, and then there's other references to bringing up the gang too. So I need a few to cue it.
I like how you like do stuff and none of it, you don't put anything.
Well, I just assumed you were ready, even though you didn't necessarily indicate any sort of manner.
I didn't tell you we were doing.
Alright, now for the with my homies shot.
That was the worst way to end this video. It's like, he fell, walking.
Man, we don't break shit up, sorry man, but I have tons of batteries. just want to be able to be seen. Alright, I'm running out of SD card space right now. Me and Grissom are out. We just did something nice. We got shorts every 3 days and we post full uploads on Wednesday. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's the law.
Very much so, friend.